Hello guys, this is Team Cobalt, and we have done the task number 1, which is automated research in Trigger Finder, and we named the project TriggerMind. The objective of this the task is to streamline the research phase of ad creation by automating data gathering and analysis. So it will identify your user pain points and triggers from multiple data sources such as Google, YouTube, Reddit, Quora, and app reviews. So let's go into our front end first. So here's the front end. So this is the landing page. So here we have the features, like it is easy to use UI. It has a competitor ads insights. It will give you competitor ads insights. It will also perform custom survey, and it has an authentication. So how it works? First of all, you have to sign up. Then you have to create a survey, and after that you can create a prompt and also generate ideas about for the ads. Now, what are the benefits of this? You can save time with this. You can stay ahead of the market by creating ads, by analyzing competitors and what your users actually need by creating a survey as well. And you can also save cost by not introducing humans for doing the ads research. So that's all. So let's now sign into the page. So sign in with Google. Let's sign in this email and continue. Let's verify. So here's your front end, the main page. So here we have multiple tabs. We have the home one, the main one, and then we have the history, and we have the generation for generating ideas for your ads, and we can also perform surveys for getting information from the end users. Also, you can see the profile as well. So let's see. We can say analyze ads for shoes, kind of. So let's click on the analyze button. So it's loading. It will take some time, maybe. Yeah. So we got the analysis regarding the shoes for the ads. So it has multiple sections like high performing hooks, call to action, which you can put in your ads, or you can say posts, etc. What are the trending topics that are going on? What are the solutions you can provide, like free shipping, easy returns, personalized recommendation to boost up the ads as well. So here's the trends. Nowadays we have the sustainable shoes trends, customizable shoes, and leisure wear. Now pain points are poor fit, long shipping times, and lack of sizing options. Okay. That's given by the backend. By the way, we deployed our backend to the AWS, and I'm showing the code after some time. So the main feature of this whole app is the survey part. So we know that for creating an ad, we need the data from the user, what they actually want. Okay, so that's why we created this survey page, where you can create a forum by a company. So take a look. So this will be the forum for the end users. If I'm an end user, so you can just put my age, suppose 20, male, location rural, education level graduated, income level suppose high or low. We've given two options because we want to segregate different things, and we don't want to complicate the whole flow. So for now we have to keep it simple. So let's submit. Yeah. So the service submitted. So now let's go back, and you can also see the history as well. Suppose we searched just now analyze ads for shoes, so it is showing here. And also we have another cool feature to generate an ad, like create ad for clothes. So generate. So here it will give a heading, it will give a subheading, and also it will give the description as well. So, and it will also give the keywords to use with the ad to boost up your ad, right? So that's the whole front end part. Now let's jump into the code part. Let's first go to the backend, because that's what really important part of this application. So what other things we use? We use Express with TypeScript. Then we use AstroDB as the database, and also we use the model Grok with the 70 billion parameter model. Now here we have the multiple endpoints like get history to get the previously searched history. We have the generate as well, where we can generate ads like headings, subheadings, description as well. Now after that we have the save history, like if someone is searching for something, then the history will be saved by this endpoint. And then we have the save user data endpoint as well. where the forums data can be saved. We have, and lastly, we have the chat endpoint, which we'll use to chat with the model to get the ads as insights, you can say. Okay, so that's the whole endpoints thing. Now here we have the LangFlow file as well, where you can by which we are connecting the whole LangFlow with the endpoints. And we also have this connection file where we can connect multiple collections. We created multiple collections, right? Like if I have to show you, this is one collection for storing the user submitted data, like forums data. And again, we have another one for storing the history as well. Okay, so that's the whole flow of the backend. And for the front end, we use the Next.js with the TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, Shatson UI, and for the authentication, we use Clerk. And so that's it for the front end and the back end, the code part. Now let's jump to the main part, which is the LangFlow and AstraDB. So here what we're doing is, first of all, whatever the prompt that the user is giving, so it is giving it like this. So suppose give ad analysis for the clothes, for company ID this. So there should be a company ID and then a ID. So that our custom component, which is used to get the custom like the company ID from this whole text. Okay, so it will extract the company ID from this whole text, and it will pass to this filter. So what this filter will do, and this is the AstraDB component, which will use to fetch the data from the AstraDB database, which is the TriggerMind user data collection, from the TriggerMind user data collection, which will store the data for the users which they submitted. Now here it is putting the inputs which we're fetching from AstraDB, and then after filtering the values using the given company ID, we are going to another custom component where it is kind of, you can say, making a single string from multiple values. Like here we have, we are calculating average text, we are calculating the highest genders ratio, we are calculating the highest locations ratio, like which is the highest, urban or rural. We have the also getting the highest, like where the highest education lies, like if the person is graduated more or the ungraduated, then income range is high or low for the various people who submitted the form. Okay, and depending on that, we are creating a single text, like user forum data, average age is this, majority in gender is this, which they are calculating by comparing two values. Okay, so after getting this the text from this custom component, we're combining the text. One is the chat input, and other one is the text that we're getting from the custom component that we created, and then we're putting it in the Grok, the 70 billion parameter model, and we are using here Llama 70 billion parameter model. So you are putting the combined text into the input, and and it is also giving the output. So we can use it in the playground as well. So so that's the whole LangFlow part. Now let's go to the AstraDB and see how many collections we have created. We have created mainly two collections, one for saving the company history, like the chat history, and one for the collecting the user data. Okay, so that's the whole part of our project, which is the task one. So I don't think there is anything left behind. So thank you for this amazing opportunity. So bye.